What's my buddy doing today? Hey. Oh, you better come here. Come give me some love-ins. Come here. Come here, bud. Oh, okay. You're gonna make me come over here to you. Yeah, let me get them flies off here. Let's see. Oh, that's my buddy. Oh. Hey, I know. He's probably a 1,500-pound bull. If anybody, see how big he is. He's a pretty big guy. Bro, you better get them back legs away from me. You kick me and we'll mess you up. He's my buddy, though. He is.